How to install your CorelDRAW 2025. To install your new CorelDRAW 2025 from CorelTRAINER, first find the installer itself. It's probably best to just download it directly with the link provided. You can find the installer in the PDF to then click or copy-paste it into your internet browser. You can find it under the Downloads section of your CorelTRAINER.com login page, or right from the flash drive that you got from us at a trade show. Know that CorelTRAINER only offers their PE Forever, aka perpetual version. It does not update each year and you own it as is forever. Also know that installation may go more smoothly if you first sign in to Corel.com. Open the installer, usually from the upper right of your internet browser where the downloads show up. You can also do so by double-clicking from your Downloads folder. If you got a flash drive from us, you'll find it there too. Click Yes to allow CorelDRAW to make changes to your device. That just means you're installing something new. After a few moments, you'll be prompted to enter your full name. Do not put your name there. Put the exact email address that you used to log into Corel.com there on line 1. Copy your serial number from the License Keys section, either from the first email you got from us or from the License Keys section when first logging into CorelTRAINER.com. Then paste it into the second line. For Corel 2025, it'll start with DR26, eye roll emoji. If you have more than one serial number, you may want to keep a note as to which code is on which computer. Each is only good for a single computer's installation. Hit Next at the bottom. Choose Typical Installation. In a few minutes, you'll be prompted with a license agreement. Scroll to the bottom and click Agree, then wait several more minutes for it all to install. If you didn't sign in at the beginning, you'll be prompted to do so. Corel can either send a code to your email or you can use your password, if you remember it. Once logged in, your web browser will open, maybe for a second or third time, but this time you'll see that cool gal wearing boots and sunglasses. That's how you know you're all done. CorelDRAW 2025 will begin to open. The very first time will take a little longer than usual. Once open, go ahead and check the upper right corner for your login email address. Now it's time to close it up and install your awesome new plugins.